everyone. So let's look at an example here. So suppose we have a triangle ABC where the following holds. So I know that the measurement of angle A of this triangle is equal to 40 degrees, and the measurement of angle C of this triangle is equal to 35 degrees, and I want to know what's the measurement of angle B. So what I first do is just draw out picture-wise to get a visual of what's happening with this problem. So I'm going to draw out a triangle. And now I'm going to label my points here A, B, C, because I know that I have a triangle ABC. And then I know that the measurement of angle A is 40 degrees. The measurement of angle C is 35 degrees. And then this is what I want to know. I want to know what's the measurement of angle B. Okay, so what did we see prior to you watching this video about the measurements of angles inside a triangle? Well, we had the triangle sum theorem, which stated that the measurements of the angles inside of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, right? So let's write that down. So remember, the triangle sum theorem states that the measurements of the angles inside of the triangle add up to 180 degrees. Okay. Right, and so this is my triangle sum theorem. So that's what it tells me. It says that if I add up the measurements of the angles inside of the triangle, that I will get 180 degrees, right? So I'm going to set up an equation then. So that's my next step here. I'm going to set up an equation where I have the measurements of these angles added up together is going to give me 180 degrees, right? So I have three angles in my triangle, right? Measurement of angle A, measurement of angle B, and measurement of angle C. And so I know that when I add the measurement of angle B plus the measurement of angle A plus the measurement of angle B plus the measurement of angle C, that's going to give me 180. Okay. So now I'm just going to substitute in what I know from the problem, right, into this equation. So I know here that the measurement of angle A is 40 degrees, and I know that the measurement of angle C is 35 degrees. So what I'm going to do now is just plug in those values into this equation. So instead of writing the measurement of angle A, I'm going to write 40 plus copy the measurement of angle B, because I don't know what that is. That's what we're trying to solve for. And then the measurement of angle C is 35, which is equal to 180. And just so you can see more clearly from where I was highlighting before, this is what happened here. Okay. So now what I want to do is solve this equation for the measurement of angle B, right? Because that's ultimately what I want to figure out in this equation. So what I'm going to do is combine like terms on the left-hand side of my equation first. And I see that I have numbers and then I have the measurement of angle B. And so what I want to do is combine these numbers together. So what's 40 plus 35? That gives me 75 plus the measurement of angle B, which is equal to 180 degrees. And so now, since I want to solve for the measurement of angle B, I need to somehow get rid of this 75 on the left-hand side of the equation. So I'm going to subtract 75 from both sides. And what I get here is that this is the measurement of angle B, which is equal to 105. Since 75 and 75 cancel, and so this is my answer. The measurement of angle B is equal to 105 degrees. And so if you need help doing this on your own, basically to just outline over here on the side, what we did is here I set up the equation. Using triangle sum theorem. And then from there, what I did is I plugged in, substitute values into the equation. And then in the next steps, I just solved for your unknown. Right, so in my case, my unknown was the measurement of angle B. All right, so those are the steps in figuring out these types of problems.